Come on lads, we'll show these grass munching fuckers a lesson. Let's go and piss up the local, shall we?